So I just did my eyebrows. I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brown Dark Brown, and then I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills angled brush for your eyebrows with the spoolie. This one is the number 12, but the name came off of it. And now, oh, and also I filled in my eyebrows with the Subculture Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and I used the color fudge to fill them in to set my eyebrows. And now I don't know what look to do. I don't know if to do a natural look today or what exactly to do. So I'm not sure if to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Subculture palette or the James Charles palette. I'm kind of feeling like I should use the James Charles palette, just because I haven't used this palette for a minute. I'm thinking of doing a goldish look today, like a brown goldish look. So I'm probably gonna take this shade right here, this one right here, and put that as transition color with a fluffy brush. We're gonna use the Morphe M504 brush to use that, pick up this color right here. It's like a light brown, and we're gonna use that as our transition color. We're gonna put that all over our lid. And the background noise is because we're currently watching Cowboys and Giants are playing right now, and nobody's scored a touchdown yet. Football season's already here, so I believe the Eagles are playing right now too, but my team is the Cowboys. Just gotta make sure it's all blended nice and neatly. Concealer that I used was the Tarte Shape Tape concealer in the shade Light Sand to conceal my eyebrows. Now we're gonna pick up the shade. I'm thinking probably this brown right here, but I'm not sure if I should use it. Okay, I'm gonna use this shade right here. It's like an orangey brownish kind of color. We're gonna pick that color up with the same brush, the Morphe 504 brush. And we're gonna also put that in our lid. But we're gonna try to focus it more on like the crease kind of area, but blend it. And the reason why I like using this fluffy brush like for this is because when you use a fluffy brush for a natural look, it seems like it works a little bit more better than using the actual angled tapered brush to get inside the crease, because it just blends it like nice and neatly and doesn't really because when you use another type of that type of brush, like if I use my Morphe M330 brush, this kind of brush, like this one, it will make it more pigmented, but that's not the type of look that I'm going for. I'm kind of going for more softer look today, so I'm not really trying to have like so much pigment on the eyes. So after we're done blending these two shades together, after we're done blending, we're probably gonna use, I know the lighting's not the greatest in here because I'm in the bathroom, this type of brush, like just a normal brush. So we're gonna use this shade here, the next shade right after the one that I just used. I'm gonna focus that more on the crease right here, like just in the crease area. Just gonna focus that here. So it should look something like this. Nothing too much, it's just like a natural kind of brown tone, red, like a brownish color. It really looks better in person. Like the camera's not picking up the colors, but after I'm done recording this, I'll give you guys a better like footage look. It looks something like this. Just very natural, nothing too extreme. Yeah, so I didn't wear that much concealer today on my eyes to do a... I usually wear a lot of concealer when I do a dramatic look, just because I want the colors to pop out a lot when I'm doing a colored look or a dramatic look. So we're gonna use the next shade, right? With that same brush, we're gonna use the next shade after this. And we're gonna focus that also in the crease. Just top left, and we're just gonna focus that right here. So there you go, and then we're gonna do the same thing to the other eye. So see how it looks. Just gives it a little more depth. After this video, I think I'm gonna make another video and then post it on my channel. You guys should go follow my social media, Instagram and my Snapchat. My Instagram is Jocey, JOCEYY77 4 times. It's gonna be 4 times. And then my Snapchat is incisive_stunner96. So after we're done doing that, we're gonna take this color right here. It's a nice gold color that I see. This one right here, we're gonna take this shade. It's right next to, like, it's like the third row, the third color on the James Charles palette. I'm gonna take this gold there. It's like a half cut. Can't talk today, I'm sorry. It's a half cut crease. So we're gonna use this flat brush, squared. It's by Elf. It's an eyeliner brush from Elf. We're gonna use this. I love this brush because it just picks up like the shimmers really good, and it applies it very nicely on your eyelids. So we're gonna take this shade and apply that on our eyelids. And I'm using this to use as a mirror because I broke my mirror, but it's all good. So we're gonna use that on our eyelids. I find it more easy if you like put water or like some kind of setting spray, but honestly water's fine. Like, and you see how it got more pigmented. Like if you put a little bit of water on the brush, it just looks very beautiful when you apply it. So it's gonna look something like that. So you're gonna do the same thing to the, so we're gonna go back with that same brush that we had, this one, and we're gonna go back with the shade, the other shade that we just used, the dark shade right here, just so we could blend those together so it doesn't look like blotchy, you can say. Focus that right there. I'm gonna use that there. Okay, so after that's done, we're going to put a gold. So that's how it looks like right now. We're gonna put gold here in the inner corners because I'm extra. And I love to be popping. So we're gonna put some on in our inner corner, all that shenanigans. So we're gonna use this one. It's like a little I think I'm gonna use the Anastasia. You could use that same gold if you would like, but I'm so extra. We're gonna use the Subculture Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and we're gonna use this shade right here. It is called Electric. I'm gonna use that shade in our inner corners and our under our eyebrow. So I'm gonna put that there. put a little water on it. To be honest, like, the reason why I use water for to put like shimmers and stuff is because all setting spray is just water, like, and glycerin and some other ingredients I don't know, but to be honest, I'm just like, this just looks like water to me. So it looks something like this, but the second, so we're gonna use that. The first row is this one, to the Jane Champs palette, but the one under it. So we're gonna blend it because it looks horrible right now. So we're gonna use that same Morphe M504 brush, and we're gonna blend that out. Hey guys, so the video cut on me. You can see all my pimples, but anyways, the video cut on me, and basically after what I was doing, I just went back with the same shade that I first had started in the beginning with, that little light brown Charles palette, and I just blended all that together. And then after that, I just added a foundation that I always wear, is the NYX Stay Matte foundation, and I used that one. And then I contoured with the Anastasia Beverly Hills cream contour in the third shade, which is like a light brown toasty color. And I used that, blended it out. I used this brush, the stippling brush, to blend that out. And then after that, I put some eyeliner, and I used the Perfect Precision eyeliner waterproof one. I used that in my waterline. And then I put a little mascara on. I haven't put no mascara under my eyelashes, my bottom eyelashes. And I use my Milani Strobe Light Sun Glow highlight. So yeah, let's get started. This is how my eyes came out. So right now we're gonna use the Kylie Jenner Super Lip Gloss in Glamour. So this is the finishing look. So this is the finished look. I'm gonna go to the store now. So guys, this is the finished look. I'm in the car right now, waiting something right now, but I just did my hair a little bit and I'm wearing this shirt. I didn't wear no eyeliner today, but it's all good. Hope you guys like this video. Give it a like, comment, subscribe. I should be doing another video today, so you might want to check that out. I'm not sure what it's gonna be, but I'll come up with an idea right now and I'm gonna upload it. So please give it a like, thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and thank you for watching.